Select H2, break 3268, the bird. We are full dice roll. Good luck. 6 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Ravens up top, Browns at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Joe up top, Ryan DeWitt's at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Ravens don't want to sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck, guys. Here we go.
H2, good luck, guys. Break 3268. Empty box. See some red and blue, no gold I don't see unless they got one stuck. Good luck here. Raymond, Kittle, Velus Jones Jr., Sky Moore, Chase Claypool on the mosaic. Or I'm sorry, the H2 Disco. T-Law, Myjai Sanders on the rug. Brian Robinson Jr. on the rug. Drake London for the Falcons. Pascal Jonathan Taylor on the red disco. And a Tua behind that. JT on the disco red. Going to the Colts, numbered 12 out of 49. Dalvin Cook. Adams. Linderbaum, Dak Prescott, blue of Cade Otton for the Bucks, and Robert Kennedy, numbered 15 out of 25, Cade Otton. Going to the Bucks and Robert Kennedy, rookie tight end. Heineke, Tristan Ebner, Matt Ryan, Cam Jordan, Garrett Wilson for the Jets. Adams, last red, Hunter Renfrow, 44 out of 99 for the Oakland Raiders.
49, Bob, you're slipping.
Per Vegas Raiders. What is it? 44 out of 49? 44 out of 49. Again, guys, that's the break. Let's recap it. Rookie base, Garrett Wilson, Drake London, and Brian Robinson Jr. Renfrow, 44 out of 49. Cade Otton, 15 out of 25. And Jonathan Taylor, 12 out of 49, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.